I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a biscuit train at home. First, gather your ingredients: plain rectangular biscuits, some icing or frosting, and various small candies for decoration. This fun and easy project is perfect for any occasion, bringing smiles to both young and old. We'll guide you through each step, from preparing your base to adding those delightful finishing touches. Get ready to create a charming, edible masterpiece in about 30 minutes. To begin your biscuit train adventure, you'll need a few key items. Start with about 10 to 12 rectangular biscuits. These will form your train carriages. Next, prepare a generous amount of frosting or icing, which acts as the glue. For decoration, select a variety of small, colorful candies, perhaps 20 to 30 pieces. A sturdy plate or board will serve as your track, and a small knife will help with precise application. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's assemble your train. Take one rectangular biscuit and spread a small amount of frosting on its underside to secure it to your serving board. This is your first car. Next, use a dab of frosting to attach two round candies, like chocolate buttons, to each long side of the biscuit, creating wheels. Repeat this process for each car. To link them, apply frosting to one end of a biscuit and press it firmly against the end of the previous car. Build a train of 4 to 6 cars. With your train assembled, it's time for the fun part: decorating. Use a piping bag with a small round tip or a knife to add details like windows and doors to each car with frosting. Then, let your creativity shine by pressing colorful candies onto the train. Perhaps a mini marshmallow for steam or small chocolate drops for lights. For the engine, stand a small biscuit upright on the front car as a chimney. Let your masterpiece set for about 15 minutes, then enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.